Hey, House, what's up?
That fucking kid.
Wait, which kid?
Okay, so who the fuck touched my Glock 19?
Seems like you're a little bit angry right now. Want to take a nap?
Oh my god, fucking dumbasses!
I love my flower. It makes me remember to cherish the little things of life.
Yeah, I guess it's pretty.
Oh no. My craving for sunflowers. It's kicking in.
Snatch!
This is something I can't control.
Well, at least we are dealing with Power Button. He scares me.
Holden, is this safe?
Yeah, why wouldn't it be?
Probably because we are miles up in the fucking air.
Okay, Penny, sometimes you just need to shut up and just trust me on this. We are not going to fall to our death.
I will never trust you again.
And I win again. Bro, you're hacking!
Okay, how the fuck do you hack on a card game?
Snatch! Okay, now that we have our teams, get me something green. Good job, my purple friend! Now, viewers, vote on someone to be eliminated. Voting ends on March 2nd. See you next time! Bye!
I am back to life.